Hi Vedant. Vedant's from Canada. Mascot. Is it Raj Lakshmi Kurnikia?
Yes, sir. Did not
What about yesterday? You are not sure. I don't see you.
No, sir. I was outside.
Okay. So we are doing one drawing is finished, the sketching. And now second drawing I started the shading. Third drawing I go to the watercolor. Fourth going art or going to the Marvel, the Avenger family's character. This is Batman or the Wolverine or this kind of set. Sketches.
Can I draw five?
Show me. Yes. Correct, correct. Start random shading. Understand the shading. Wow. Snowy fatafati. That's good. So make us this. Good. Okay, this area is a light. This light area we are usually using rubber. If I get color using rubber and erase it. But try to light area you will leave it in paper white. হুম না না চলছে ব্যাগ দাঁড়াও একটু।
আসবে না তো 7:30 অবধি পাঠাতে হয়
और do like this. Okay, we are putting the settings like this. Okay, not not much time are taking for this. We are going to see this is rough sketching. We are making the rapid sketch. This is light, this is shadow, this is dark shadow, and this object shadow. So we are putting this all those principles. This is object shadow. We will do the object shadow over here. So when put the object shadow like this, first one, make it the first one shadow like this, and then the after object shadow you can make the occlusion shadow. This is dark in down. This is the occlusion shadow. Understand, Yamita? Yeah. This is occlusion shadow. This is shadow, occlusion shadow. Occlusion shadow means the cast. You can see the cast shadow occlusion. So dark and light, both in shadow is working. Okay. Suppose to sunlight coming from this side. This is some the front of window. That fruits the front of window. If it is, then the shadow is coming like this. How shadows work? see how shadow works over here. There are also light. This part is source of light is coming from this side. So opposite of light it should be dark. So you can put a dark settings. Yeah, you can make this rapid using the rapid strokes now. This is the rough. All stroke is the like this way.
How?
This way.
This.
Yeah. That's this way. When the round is coming, same that I can coming like this. See? But all over the setting is this way. If sometime you can make the cross also. Understand Vedant?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is very important to understand the shadow. Okay, so this each object we are understanding how where it is. Okay, different dimension. Sometimes hard light you can see, so you can make it that time you make it this hard shadow. Okay, this is the hard shadow. Any doubts you can see, tell me. So somewhere I can create a more dark shadow. So this drawing we are continue. Adira. Aditi, Adira not joining. Can you know that why is it? She is okay.
Sir, Adra joined Saturday class.
Huh?
Sir, I think she joined yesterday, didn't she?
She joined yesterday.
Sir, didn't she join yesterday?
I not maybe I not seen. Uh,
What, sir?
I forgot to call by name actually. Your brother sister is crying now.
Yes, sister.
Huh?
Yes, sister.
Your sister crying. Like this. Yes, this is crying. Oh no. So you can go ahead this. I'm really surprised that you guys are so speed, achieve the speed, finish drawing with me. That's great. Suppose here if some pole of you could see some pole of or ring, so the shadow is coming like this. This object shadow is coming like this. How it's work? This is shadow. See? आराम से. Okay, it is very simple. I hope that we are going to the next one. So this is rapid stroke. It's very easy to understanding the shading. It is also. Okay, this sides are more hard light is there. You can just make some structure after that, little bit of structure like this. Hello, yes ma'am. Did you gonna join class today? Oh, go. Go beta, concentrate to education, okay? Best of luck beta, bye bye. Make it a line over here. Somewhere you can put some dark strokes. So you understand that shadow how works. Okay, this shadow is coming over here, and here is also the object shadow is coming. See this object shadow coming over here, and as well that same shadow coming directly like this, like here, and go this. So how shadow or work? The path of shadow. Okay. So this area is more dark because it's not sunlight, it's opposite of this. Praveen sir, understood now? This is a little harder, okay? Understood. Yes, yes. Okay. So we are working this light and shades in our watercolor now. So here you can understand the color shadow, light and shadow. Okay, this shadow goes to this side directly. So avoid the apple, but this shadow is top of this. Okay. Yeah, Amita Vita understood.